million miles away. Yeah, I'm already gone. Just
hey boo hey, I'm back with some synthetic drip as we continue with our red and blonde series. Y'all, why am I doing my hand like this? It's because I'm so excited, y'all. We have been only reviewing, when it comes to synthetic wigs, blonde or red wigs, and we found some real winners, and I'm super excited about this one by my good friends over there at Wigtypes. Hey Den, it was so good to see her back. So this one came from Wigtypes. If you look in the description box, I put a direct link to where you can go and purchase this. So this wig is made by one of my most favorite synthetic wig makers. They are definitely in my top 3. Y'all, okay, y'all know what it is. It is Outre. It is sensational. And I've been going back and forth on if the next one would be Bobby Boss or Main Concept, because y'all, they done gave me a lot of winners in this collection. This one is by Outre. It is in the style VELORA, V-E-L-O-R-A. And because of our red blonde series, I got VELORA in red velvet, which is a beautiful blend. VELORA is 100% a human hair blend, which at the end of the day, that means synthetic, y'all. It is a 360, which means you can do all types of neat styles with her. She comes with a 13x6 lace frontal as well. Okay, so y'all know I normally just take it out of its packaging, and that's what I did. Sometimes if they come with lace, I already done it, but I ain't done it, y'all. Look at that red velvet blend. I don't care what anybody says. Since I've been doing this series, 1000%, this red velvet by Outre is my most favorite red blend. She is super cute. The cap construction, you get a comb in the back with those adjustable straps. And if you look, that lace goes all the way around the wig, and you get that 13x6 parting space in the front with a comb here and a comb here. And she comes with baby hairs. The texture on her is a yucky full texture. Push you in the mind frame of one of the niches, right? Okay. So let's cut off this lace, cut off this stock card, play around with velour, and then I'm gonna come back with my final thoughts. All right, y'all, so I'm back with my final thoughts on VELORA. Outre really could have named this Nisha 360 and it will work, because it reminds me so much of a Nisha unit. You just getting, you know, this fancy parting space. I'm pretty sure I put some footage in there to show you what it looks like pulled up. Y'all, this wig is absolutely gorgeous. I'm not getting any, I mean, you know it's fresh out of the pack, but I'm not getting any shed, any tangling, because it's fresh out of the pack, and I don't really think I will with this texture. And they just did a bomb job on this wig, y'all. And I was nervous about it being in this color because it can be like big hair, but I absolutely love this red velvet. Y'all, this one is a must. This is about that price point ain't the best, but I can give Outre that. For the price point, you are getting a very long, a very natural textured wig that you can do tons with because it's 360 lace. So can I recommend this one, y'all? 100%, 1,010% I can recommend this one. If you're looking at the description box, I put a direct link to where you can go and pick Miss VELORA up. She has a sister that's like a straighter version. I might be making it up. In the comments, tell me if you know. Sanivia. I might be making it up. And also in the comments, tell me if you have VELORA and what are your thoughts on her, because she is gorgeous to me. Like I always say, maybe you're not into hair. Maybe it's your auntie VELORA. Maybe it's Granddaddy Victor, whichever one. If you put them in this unit, yes ma'am, been bound. Also in that footage, I'm wearing it as a middle part, but it's beautiful as a right or a left part too, y'all. This one is just gorgeous. Until next time, which is gonna be very soon, which the next wig that I'm reviewing, I'm super, super excited about. Bye.